went there and saw somebody, the person was drinking his liquor.
You know, sir, Mario.
Mm-hmm.
You know, sir, not even you believe what you were saying. If you listen
Why
to all
me?
your talking, you're not even convinced your own self. Much as you convince nobody else. Not even you
Okay.
convince yourself.
Okay.
Because no, we upon heaven and earth.
Mm-hmm.
You get a call right now.
Mm-hmm.
Say, you know, say somebody in a room. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
I gonna notify the police.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
When me I go there for, and then when me gonna know how me a police, me don't know what kind of person, me don't know if them armed. Me don't know if I me them come there look for. Me don't know if I thief them and me don't know. I mean, if you go talk to them.
But me hear your point. Say you are gonna call the police. And when the police say, are you on site? What you gonna tell him say?
Mario.
Mm-hmm.
Mario, me really sorry for you because if I that you come tell me right now.
Mm-hmm.
That just seems like first thing, the nature of the person is a mayor.
Mm-hmm.
So number one, the police them are gonna act and according different than how them would act for me. That's the number one. Number two, the mayor is not sure if this is an attempt on his life either. Number three, even if you decide to go there, why would you go there alone? I ain't tell nobody else. Nobody there. You say neighbors say. Bumbuck land there. The man say neighbors. Brother, it's a beachfront property. The man having a.
So what that means? Same not have neighbors because it's a beachfront property.
All right, now go check. Now go find out which part of brother they live.
Yeah, man, find out because me can't openly say. Me don't know neither, you know. Me I go research because you ask a valid question. But the information that I get
Not
is
much.
telling
I
me.
said, you know, Mario, not much people own a beachfront property. Not much.
What you say to me a while ago?
Not
much people
own a
beachfront
property
in Jamaica.
Yeah.
No
much.
Man, you not travel. You not travel Jamaica.
Listen, not much. You're not gonna see one house, scheme a house, stretch off on a beachfront property.
No, you're not gonna see a scheme house, but you're gonna see houses. No. You're gonna see houses.
Listen,
my brother.
Mario.
Yes.
If you see one house right here, so probably you have to walk 1 mile before you see one in the house.
No, not do that. Not do that.
Mario,
you're
man,
talking.
come on.
Listen me. You're talking from a man. We come from beachfront.
Mario, come on, man. Mario, man. Really,
Caution.
Really?
Me grow up.
Mario,
me grow up on Negril. Caution, me grow on Negril. Me grow up on the 7 miles of White Sand. Plus the hill.
Listen,
bro.
Listen, Mario.
Caution.
Listen, man. Listen, brother. Not much people own beachfront property as housing in Jamaica. Don't tell me say I lie, me I take beachfront properties are very expensive. Don't tell me say I lie, me I tell them, bre. Come on, man. You make it sound like I want easy property to go buy. And what you said the man nearby. Let me go up on my Google map. Don't worry yourself, man. Google satellite can take picture and I'm going to see. On the whole south coast, the north coast line I sent me, you know. One know exactly with that boy the house there, you know. This is sent me. Oh, this out of
where you see the football field there on the grill on the beach road. If you ever go
now
down there,
listen, Mario. I'm not talk about nigga. We are talk
no,
about
but me,
Tushpa. Me I live.
I know where him live. Him have a property there, my lad. I
Yeah.
know that's how him
Property.
man live.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. But whole heap of people have that
You gotta
carton.
tell me, say no. You gotta tell
Mm-hmm.
me, say the man have a beachfront property.
Yes.
And neighbors call and
Mm-hmm.
see.
Yeah.
Call him
Yeah.
and say, you see somebody in your house.
Right.
Are you? And him say, no. And the neighbors were there, sir. No
Mm-hmm.
call police. And him, no call police. Him drive from where in there alone and go to the property to go find out and ask the person who them be.
This here you
That's all
make
I
two
think.
speculation. Two speculation in your argument.
No, but I speculate.
No, me not speculate. Me I tell you
Can
what me
you
hear.
confirm? Can you confirm this telephone conversation?
Say what? Which part of
Say
it
somebody
we can
calling.
confirm?
Yeah, can you confirm it?
If me can confirm, say somebody call him.
Yeah,
No. But him
exactly. So
neighbor
that's what I'm
them.
telling you to speculate.
No. No. The
Yeah.
information that's
Speculate.
gathered. No, I know me a
No, no,
speculate.
no, no, no.
Me not speculate.
No.
Me I talk about the
So
information where
the
me get.
information where you are get, hold on, you are get a
Is that
second-hand information, right?
right? But you are
And
speculate.
listen up. No, Mario, you are speculating too. And anybody
Me
give you
not
that
speculate.
information, they are speculate. Because you can't prove what you are saying. What evidence you have?
Remember what me say again, you know. The information that I gather, me not put no
You mean I
speculation
get
in a for you.
information too?
You start say, and the man drive go there
Me, get-
alone.
me,
Which
so that
me and you no know that.
what mean we don't know that? So who
We
drive
no
go there?
know that. Me no know. Me can't say that.
Man, listen, Mario, you see when time I not talk my youth, so what time I have to read it. People could all listen and want to kind of madman this to bomb class. You not read the report, you not read nothing what the news article say.
What the news article say?
Go and go read it and then come back. Do me a beg.
All
Go
right.
and go read it.
All
Go
right,
and
my
go.
brother. Me I go read it
Yeah,
and
man.
come back. Yeah.
Jesus Christ, no sir. Bomba.
You,
And
do-
they
you
are
have
speculating.
you have too much
Him say me
speculation,
not
man.
speculate.
I
Him
speculate.
say me not speculate. And yet still him never read the paper. But him, I come and tell me, say him gather information. Where you get your information from? Where you get your information from? You don't read the news, you don't read the article, you just get information, and your information becomes the credible information more than everybody else's information. That anything what anybody else has said, they must speculate. But what you are say, I saw it go. You understand? That's what the news said. The news said him go there for him own. And the news says so. You go and beachfront property. I'm see. I'm man in the living room. I watch TV. And we don't know what happened after that, but we just know some man get chopped and man get shot. That's all we know. So I can't tell you word for word what it exchange or what. What them say verbally. But I don't know what happened physically. One man get chopped, one man get shot. And you want to tell me, say, you have a property well now. You are come to say, well, let him get information, say somebody in him property, inside him property, and him go there, and him no call the police. And you can tell me, say, him have to go the property first to confirm if somebody did it. If you go call the police. Wow. Wow. Boy, I always think, say, Me not gonna say him dunce, you know, because me not feel like Mario is a dunce person. I feel like Mario is just a person who just come for try to defend the thing to make it look like so well then nothing wrong no happen or so I said nothing wrong with that. Well, if well, to me something wrong with that. Every man try to protect them life. And if you are got your yard and you hear somebody there your yard and you don't know who they your yard, the first thing I gotta do is call police. I hear the police them I go there. Yeah, the police them I go there. What you mean about y'all when I go there got the yard, brother? What, come on, man. Yo, no sir. I can't believe say some labor really that thing, so. You ask any normal person a question and them a tell us straight. Say them have to go there with police. Them a go tell you that straight. So why now? When something like this happen now, you're not gonna make it look like so well then boy. You know? What we are speculate or what we are think about, it make no sense. Cut the bullshit, man. Cut the bullshit. Something wrong with that case there. And you know why I believe there's something wrong with that case there? You see the counselor for St. Mary, Bloomfield himself say yo, them need to be a non-partisan investigation in other cases. Something wrong. Something is clearly wrong with that case. No, him come up here and say no, say the man is a madman. It's a madman in the man property. You understand? You are gonna come now and say the man is a madman. Me not say that in the news, you know. But you see that in the news. Well, let me try to see if I can see it. Oh, right, it's in face at all. PMP condemns violent attacks involving mayor and urges swift and thorough investigation by the JCF. Of course, something right with this. That case doesn't look good. Big up Bloomfield on that because I know say something right. So I got go up on the thing now and read the report. So I'm gonna read it now. St. Anne Mayor attacked. Yeah. So Mayor of St. Anne, Councillor Michael Belfinis is reportedly recuperating at home after being trapped by an intruder at one of his properties in St. Mary Monday night. The St. Mary police declined to provide information on incident when contacted, saying that details were not available at this time, but stated that as the day progressed it would be provided. But a police source told the Gleaner that no report has been filed with the police, hence no information could be given. Information obtained indicated that Belfinis arrived at the property around 11 p.m. Upon entering his house, He was surprised by an intruder who appeared to chop him several times to the upper body. Jamaica Labour Party Senator confirmed that the mayor sustained non-life-threatening injuries and was treated and discharged. He is expected to feel better pretty soon. He's thankful that the outpouring good wishes. Okay, yeah. So, all right now, that day in the paper. So that day in the paper, all right now. So, next now. Watch you know them take down them. Well, I mean, I tell you say that case has something wrong with that case.
Whole heap of cover in there, man. Up to a blind
Yeah.
man. To a blind man can't see that.
Presently on your screen, identified as Othniel Loban, but more popularly known in the streets as Tickman. Some may call him One Daddy Deadness. Sorry, I mean One Daddy Badness. Yes, that is it. One Daddy
Right.
Badness.
So well on them. To see you know, well on there. See, reports indicate that the mayor was able to drive himself to hospital where he was treated. So him alone did that. Something right to something.
So who come take out the man out I also get shot?
Them find him somewhere else, but them not publish that part there.
For this one, Arizona.
Jamaica, they in a gunman.
Arizona. For this.
Should I look in a year 6 bills teacher?
Buckler, well on there. But this man, 4 years into his term, Belvis was forced to resign from his post in July 20 after facing the heat of using taxpayers' money to buy a $80,000 charging port for his Porsche motor car, which he claimed was being used for government work. So the man used taxpayer money for buy one charge of him car. Oh God. Jano, taxpayer money? Seriously? This does not sound right, and this does not add up right now. You understand? Yeah, this don't make no sense, and you see, when Mario come over here, so now, to try paint a picture, like say, the man said him wouldn't go home, go ask the person what them do, what them do, and can you imagine? Can you just imagine? Matter if the other person, they even can't see who. At the person, moderator, at the person. Oh, Jackie.
Because we do not have the parents cannot. 不知道吧？这可是江大小姐的心腹。
Yo. Me can't tell a man say that the case there have whole heap more to it. Right, tell us say why? Glad me is not a labor, right? Because I don't know how me wouldn't defend this. You understand what I say? Yeah? There's no way me couldn't defend this. Wouldn't wicked if you go defend this. Yeah, man. And evil. If you go try defend this. Because the ungla put me in a more problem with people. Continue to come on TikTok and come chat them nonsense there. Up yourself in somewhere else, George. Now, George, you just there try pencil out what going on with the mayor, you know. The mayor for what you call it, a sentence beer, them chop him. And yeah. Ziggy. No,
Yeah,
but watch out now. Look at look. Oh, Ziggy, your internet are in and out. Your internet are in and out. Stallion.
me that try top of his screen.
All right. Stallion, look on your comment. What is 80,000 or 60,000 for an electrician to set up a charging port or station for your vehicle? Out of taxpayer money? So in money for set up him charging station and me buy Porsche game? Are the taxpayers money buy Porsche game? Money buy Porsche game. And I don't think I have to set up. Well, I'm look if I have to set up on charging port, I have to put. Yeah, man, him good, man. I have to fix him charging port on him car. Well, on there. More time, Stallion, man. I tell you, say, yo, you see, Uno more time, Virgin. You see, this is how we have corruption in our country. If a man go buy one Porsche car, right? And we have to use taxpayer money to go set up porting station for film car. So when I set up a porting station in my yard, I use film money. Why am I to use government money and the government electricity for charging vehicle? Regardless, all I want to put this thing, brother. A petrol system we use in Jamaica. You understand what I say? So which part of me I go drive go? So we need a charging port at work. We can charge in vehicle. Secondly now, a one vehicle him own. Man, I want your brother, no come on for the line with a bag of foolish. If him can afford to buy one Porsche for $30 million, I'm 100% sure him have 2-3 other car. I'm 100% sure. Yeah, man. I'm 100% sure him have other vehicles. So what him could do now? Him couldn't use him other car for work. Call up on Mark Golin. Mark Golin have a black range. But him working car is a Prado van. You understand what I say? So you want to tell me it's a film car. Him have a Porsche. And him going to have one Jeep. Because enough of them big boy, the politician, always have SUV. And him have a SUV. I'm going to have another little car. But the most expensive one.
Yes, manners, even there.
You want to bring that one, they got work, and then no, you want to use taxpayers' money to set up a charging port. A year work to charge the booth. Plus, we're going to have to find money and pay for the other car them now, where you use as gas, because normally, some of the people them use gas and
Yeah, wait a man.
Yeah, brother. Oh, are you coming on the box?
Yeah, man. You hear me now?
Yeah,
So which is cheaper, electric vehicle or for them supplying with petrol? With them traveling ones? Which you think is cheaper? We set up a charging port and charging vehicle? Or again traveling ones in terms of fuel?
Petrol cheaper.
Petrol can't go cheaper than electric. Can't
Yeah, man,
cheaper.
petrol cheaper, man.
Cannot be cheaper.
Yeah, man, petrol cheaper.
If petrol is cheaper, the whole world would go electric right now.
Because number one, how much it costs.
And me I talk about the price of the man's vehicle. The price of the man's vehicle no matter. Could there be one cheap electric vehicle from China?
Stallion,
Yeah.
that's what about. It's more expensive to maintain one electric vehicle than a friggin' gas vehicle.
May I hear you, sir?
It's more expensive. So if him I go use a Porsche, for the film work as a government work, how much it gonna cost we the taxpayers for service that Porsche there? How much it gonna cost we? First and foremost, and a normal mechanic for service that I forgot a Porsche dealer for service. You probably look for $300,000-$400,000. All the dispatch them. One pair of dispatch good for 100,000. Plus other things where the car are going to need for update or whatsoever. It is more expensive to maintain a Porsche than a Toyota vehicle. You better man have a Prado or drive and I buy gas. Because I can bet you any money is more expensive to maintain the Porsche than the Prado van. And I gas it I use. So you buy your personal vehicle, a high-end vehicle, and taxpayers have to go maintain your vehicle. When you buy, when you left office, you are going with your vehicle. And I like that vehicle I stay at the office so you know, say, listen, any mayor will come and drive that Porsche there. So suppose you never get elect back as a mayor one next time now. Then we just have a charging port for your car now where anybody can come charge them car down. Or you just dead there. I don't want to man. But nothing wrong with that, brother. Something wrong with that. Okay, for other people that do them something, you only not find the problem in it. But whenever on a phone party, you can't see the problem. And that are them thing they want, honesty. Honesty. Want people who try cut costs. Cut costs from money where we are spent. So you could buy one look underfit. I want Pro Box. I want Toyota car. Yeah? And him could drive go work one gas efficient car. Yeah? And can drive go work and come back and 90% of the time, them not really drive up and down like that. 90% of the time, they're mostly in them office. So if him charge for him car and come and work, him the need for thing there. And sometimes, brother, well, and I mean, so them flag him and say it not right. So you and the relevant authorities got to deal with that. Yeah, you and the relevant authorities got to deal with that because I couldn't bill him charging port time yard. Him shouldn't bill him charging port time yard. So when him go home, him charge him vehicle. All him property them when him have, him have him charging port and yard. Cause fee him car, when him left office, a fee him car. It's not the government car. So put a charging port to accommodate all mayors, cause all mayors are going to use that vehicle. 6.5 dozen of the other youth. Because how much it going to cost you to maintain the vehicle, you still can't come up with that. It's more expensive to maintain an electric vehicle than a gasoline vehicle. So who are going to maintain that car there? Who are going to maintain the car? I'm sure no I get money for maintain the car then. You know? Say I get that amount of money for maintain the car, plus you want we now for go build charging port, put a something there for go say, oh, it's cheaper for your drive, but yet still you pick the more expensive car with the most expensive parts and everything for we to maintain. And you gonna tell me say it's cheaper. Man, I want to tell my youth. Sometimes I have to think before the talk, brother. How much you want push? How much you want push? This part. How much you want push this part? How much you service the vehicle? I'm telling my thing, it's cheaper for fuel. It's cheaper for fuel. When I look on a part there, it's a raw tip. You think of fuel alone, I'm going to buy for car alone? For them people here, where hold them government position here, where have vehicle where drive and them little thing there, they need to start get some vehicle where the country can manage. Yo! You understand? Where the country can manage and stop by a vehicle where it costs your arm and a leg. All you do you just submit one piece of paper, one invoice to show so well then yeah this is cost and taxpayers' money have to find it. To deal with your vehicle. So you live luxury. You live in a luxury half a taxpayer. You live in a luxury half a taxpayers. Look upon that. Living a luxury half a taxpayers to bomb and the taxpayers can't live in a luxury in their own country. A man can go buy a Porsche. I'm saying I bet you 100%. 100% he must have a different vehicle. Well, as a matter of fact now, I don't have a car. I talk about him alleged relationship with a man. You chop him in my ass. Yeah, but chop him in my ass. That me I talk about. Everybody want to talk about this. Everybody want to talk about that. Nobody want to talk about the fact. You understand? Nobody not talk about that. Me don't want to debate on the man and him car. Me want to talk about where this man are involved in. Where him involved in with that person there. Why the man have to chop him? You understand what I say? That's what me want to talk about. And if when they do with the taxpayers' money, they do right, why am I have to resign? What if it's a case where him just, yo, well, them something, I suppose him just take the money and just go do it. You don't get no proper authorization. Him not go through the proper channel. If you say, yo, we are gonna do this, him just become and me and put. Well, nothing to do with me, you know. You say, like you know, real Magul, but not really talk for actually win you know. You know who me I try for win is like people actually think with them brain and with not them belly. Cause you have two kind of thinkers, you know, in Jamaica, you know. You have thinkers who think with them brain and you have thinkers who think with them belly. So for you now, real Magul, you are think with your belly. You understand what I say? But remember, you have people out there we are think with them brain. I always remember that. Yeah, man. I saw it go. So, me not try stop you from vote for who you want vote for. You have all right for vote for you want for vote for. You understand? Yeah. Nobody not tell you no. Say do what you want to do. Phone life. Live it how you want to live it. You understand? Vote when you want to vote for. But you see, the wider populace of Jamaica, I hope them really listen to where Uno say. You understand? Just listen to what Uno say because you see, no matter what I go on in the country, I still I go vote for PMP. One PMP, yeah. But still I go vote for Labour, right? Yeah. No matter what I go in the country right now, still I go vote for Labour, right? Because you know why? Uno broke that way there. Uno no look upon logical things. Uno no think logically. You know what I said? From all the years, where Jamaica run, a lot of people say both parties are the same. But that is a JLP propaganda. Both parties not the same and them know. And then we say a PMP mash up Jamaica. That is another propaganda. You see, if you check back in history, you will realize that the People's National Party has never destroyed Jamaica in nowhere. Anybody know when Jamaica started to privatize its state-owned property, becoming independent? Anybody know? 1981. Anybody know how much time Edward Seaga borrowed loan in the 80s? 5 times. Anybody know the consensus where Seaga signed in the 80s, the Washington Consensus? Free market, tax, privatization, a whole heap of other series or something. Liberalization of dollar. You understand what I say? So you see, when time people come, anybody want to come and like You know? And people are just crazy, yo. Just what I'm going. State of emergency over Spanish Town, you know. Mm. Yeah, do you think, man? You don't know, Lena is in the best prime minister even though I'm dead. Jesus Christ, Italian. Tell me why you classify him to be the best prime minister. What did he do so exceptional that you would have put him as the best prime minister in Jamaica? Mm-hmm. Tell me. I hope your mic can't make me hear what you say. Although your mic, the background sound like I don't recognize it still, but try my best to listen. Mm-hmm. Come on. Open up your mic and tell me what's going on. Still a wait.
And then my next one, he like you
Come on.
push one push all the one, you know. Because he like you want to see it's a rash to come out of him, but what do you feel like every time you leave this big shit to the bottom, not flush. I'm a sister, you want somebody going to go see it and flush. You know, flush it.
They say I'm still going to introduce the development of Ocho Rest. That's where I'm from. Okay. That alone? That's all. So all him do I have him as the best. Want something must do them man.
No, be flat. Ana.
And them say something? No, they not say nothing. Them just,
Go on.
Yes, we can manage and respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Okay.
So I say back to you now, Stallion. What you say? Still happening for them. Can you deny? Happening for them. Can you deny? Can you deny? Can you deny what? That I be a criminal in a JP. Can't deny that. When you say the best prime minister, Jamaica had, you have to list out some more something than that. You have to list out way more than that. That little bit there where you list out can't give him the title. Come on. You have to list out way more than that. That's Ochi. That's Ochi which by you live. Like I said, the man are the best prime minister because of that. So when do for other parishes, other than Tibali, right? Other than Tibali and all of them other. Well, Tibali God, yeah.
Caution.
Yeah, but that's a race with a brother Stallion. Stallion him there tell me say, I got the best prime minister, so I want to find out why him say Siaga is the best prime minister.
He doesn't know, or she. I don't know who that individual is. That individual need to go and do research, which I won't bash him for his ignorance. Just like I think what's happening is a lot of people are misinformed. Just like what we were discussing before, because the PMP did not let these individuals know what was going on, or probably they did, but a lot of people weren't tuning into that at the time. Nobody want to hear that. Yeah, it was one of the worst time for us as Jamaican natives, as we know it in our history, because it lead to it lead to a really big crisis for poor people in the island because of all those agreements that he had signed. And when they mention Kingston, when they mention Ocheria, Siaga is instrumental in developing that was developed for foreign people to come in. That's all it was developed for. So they destroy our economy by bringing in competition to destroy us. That's when we have actual competition for our economy. So that's why the dollar run away for so fast.
Yeah.
So a lot of people who are saying that they're misinformed. That's why they're saying that.
Well, I guess he's misinformed, or he's just like being a typical JLP where just it don't really matter what, you have to support a party. You know what I mean?
Okay, I see. Which totally makes sense also.
Yeah.
But it's time for us to put Jamaica first, though.
Yeah, but how can we put Jamaica first when they even have the Prime Minister I come out and I blame climate control, right? I blame climate control as the...
No, but Stalin have a mic. You can open up a mic and speak, eh?
That man can't be trusted. If I tell them lie there, they can't be trusted.
Yeah, I see a serious thing, because I came up here to actually address that, because I have information right here on my decks saying the opposite of what Stallion is claiming, and I think Caution need to actually point him in the right direction of the Washington deal that they had signed there, and you would see where we really had a really big downfall.
Him can read. From him here, me say so. All he need to do, just take up him phone and go and read it. Yeah, man.
I only have 4 minutes, but I'm gonna actually try and read it for that individual so they actually know what's going on. Because I'm basically gonna put it in a summary of exactly what he did and what caused us to be in the situation that we're in today, and that's where everything starts from. Yeah, and it's very important we see these people for who they are. It's very, very important for us, so we know exactly who our enemies are. Very, very important, because if we don't, we're gonna lead right back into slavery. Indirectly, because not saying that you're gonna have chains around your feet to have you in the field beating you, having picking cotton and chopping sugarcane anymore. But you're basically not gonna have any say. You're just gonna exist and die, and your generation come after you and do the same thing. So that's even worse than slavery.
You see, me understand all them jail people that thinking, so not even try to follow them. You understand? Not even try to follow them up when it comes down to that. Not even try to follow them up, but just leave them, make them think all them want to think. It's just that you can reason with sensible people, and they can look into what you say, and them look into what you say and listen to what you say, then them can make a decision.
And at least research. I mean, come with evidence and say, you know what, Caution, I hear you say this, and I went and I do my research, and I am here with a rebuttal. That makes sense. Instead of just uttering some stuff that really doesn't make sense. Like, you can't reason in that way.
Like for me, if him come and he say, boy, see I got build the part that I'm watching, me not gonna deny it. It there for proof. If I say see I got bring in our UDIs, are you UDC bring in UDC also? NIS. But can't go deny it. That there.
And hard trust NTA.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not gonna deny that. But we are talking about other things and I don't want to deny it. So me want to know now, I don't alone know truth. Our phone brain set up a way where we just can't admit nothing at all. Where you see, alright, the worst prime minister Jamaica has ever seen is not Edward Seaga now. It's Andrew Holness, then Edward Seaga.
You understand? And the reason why we are actually having this Andrew Holness is because we never really analyze Edward Seaga and realize the agenda that they had.
Yeah.
So he come and double down on top of it.
Yeah, if we didn't actually look upon the history, them time that then we don't understand the devil where we actually are going to get ourselves in and now. Yeah, we wouldn't actually know. And we don't try our best.
We were in a very vulnerable state at that time, man, as a young nation, very vulnerable, and they caught us with our pants down. And they make sure we have it. Like, they beat us onto the ground. Like, when somebody beat you to the ground, they beat us underneath the ground. It was devastating. Like, at that time, you had people have to go to the hills, and eat bitter yam, Bitter yam, you have to go up in a hill, go dig bitter yam and eat bitter yam, you know. 2 times were tough, you know. People were
That time
marrying.
swagger time.
Yeah, man. People were marrying a goods in shop. To actually, you say if you go to buy a pound of cornmeal, you have to buy a toilet paper, or you have to do something else. The economy was tough because the competition was very high. It's not
But
something
them
that that we live through, man.
Pastor
You know,
Dick, Swagwan.
you may have some people who were of different economic level that they benefited from these policies, but for the regular poor people, which Jamaica was full of 80% poor people, or even more, probably 90%, we
Pastor
get the
Dicks.
shitty end of the stick. And I think a lot of these people who are talking about these things, they were born in the 90s or in the late 80s, so they don't really understand and they forgot, and they're just looking forward. They never look back.
Yeah.
No, man, if you're gonna be on the live, Stallion, you need to speak up, or you need to remove yourself from the live. If you're gonna be commenting and sitting in the live looking, that doesn't make any sense.
I don't know, probably in background kind of nice. Because when they flick it on just a while, I'll be a pit me here in the background and I work for night. But inside kind of sound shy away still.
Oh, okay, I see. But anyway, I have to go back. I just have a little short recess there. I have to go back to a meeting, so I'll talk to you guys after this.
Yeah, I go on do my thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
So chewing past or present. Which one have to touch today? History or current affairs? I'm just pick a topic and talk about it. When you pick a topic, any topic. See what I go on for it. Any topic when you pick me and talk about. Any topic, when you just type one, comment a topic, cost of living. Why you not have to talk about cabbage? Pick a different topic, man. We don't want to beat them with the cabbage, so man. Pick a different topic. I make Stallion. Stallion, put a topic. Put a topic in there and make me talk about it. Let them say history. Stallion now pick a topic. So we're going to start from history. From 1944. Devaluation is a driver of inflation under which administration or dollar loss is most valuable. Alright, so devaluation. Yeah. And who signed that agreement? Stallion, did you know that it was Edward Siaga who signed that agreement? Did you know, Stallion? Did you know that it was Edward Siaga that signed that agreement? I never know. So I'm telling you to read Washington Consensus. Then when I read the Washington Consensus, him pegged the dollar, and when him pegged the dollar, when him borrowed the loan in 1989 from IMF told him that in order to get the loan from them, he have to liberalize the dollar. The dollar have to liberalize, and him signed the agreement, which when him signed the agreement, what did Edward Seaga do? Edward Seaga failed 4 of the tests. So him never pegged the dollar, him never unpegged the dollar, which the other government would have to eventually go do it. Because him not do it, and when you sign an agreement, you have to fulfill certain agreements. So you see, I mean, you're just talking from a standpoint where you're not even a research. Edward Seaga failed 4 tests. If you have him as the best prime minister, he failed 4 tests from the IMF in the 1980s. I think one of them was that he never want to liberalize the dollar, because if he liberalize the dollar, him go seems as a bad prime minister. But the thing about it is that now, we may not understand at what cost he was doing all of this, because if he never planned to liberalize the dollar, then now Jamaica would have stuck where people would constantly have suffer, and the country would have in a turmoil. So me leave for wonder now if Edward Seaga actually cared about the people. And a PGA Patterson have to come in and pass them tests there and clear us out of the IMF. You understand what I say? PGA Patterson have to clear us out of the test there. So even though you hear this man as one of the best man that Jamaica ever see, you still not even know all of the terrible things them going do. Because you just typically just hear people say these things, and yeah, you just believe because somebody tell you, because you're not even 100% know. So tonight at the first you hear about Washington consensus. 100% certain about it. So anybody who I tell you about what did go on in the 90s never inform you good enough to make you even understand what go on. You understand what I say? There are a lot of questions. That's why I can't even open your mind, because there's a lot of questions where you can't answer. So I'm going to look bad for even you. So the Washington, the consensus, you know, where the man signed. Yeah, know the repercussion what would have been. So why, if him know the repercussion, what that would have been for borrow the loan and fail the test, why him put Jamaica through that trauma? And what did Edward Seaga do with that loan for infrastructure wise throughout the 80s? Yeah, the 5 loan them when take. Can you identify when do them 5 loan them? And failing the test with a repercussion, do you believe that Jamaica people could endure all of them something if PMP never come in and pass them test them? sometimes I have to just be practical and factual, and it kind of like set a way when you have to teach people, big people, some simple little things where all the way can read and write. You understand? And if me tell you something, I don't need for you just go look it up in a dan. You don't have to take my word. You understand? You just need to go open up your phone, look on it, see what I go on, read up about the Washington Consensus, read up how much time Siaga took loan in the 80s, how in debt Jamaica was to IMF at that time. Yeah, these are the things that we have to know. And that is what caused Jamaican economy to crash in the 90s. Because a lot of people don't even know, say, this man a fail 4 tests. A lot of people don't know that. But if you ask them, they're going to say, oh, the best finance minister cause he pegged the dollar. And the dollar never move and this and that and right there. Yes, that and he was not the finance minister that time, so I never impacted the dollar neither. But a film administration in 1968 or 69, 67 thereafter, them pegged the dollar. Them pegged the dollar. And he was what would I say now? Remember which ministry in the inner? I thought I want to know how him in the box and a tie. Man must say shy. One of the wickedest things to Charles, say, yo, Andrew Holness really don't deserve a 3rd term. I tell you the reason why, Mr. Son. You see, when I really look on it, with the road condition, remember, him and film government, the whole of them come out and tell people about how the road mash up and this and that and rare and we not maintain no road and the road them not fix from all land. But yet still, when them come in, them stop the road maintenance and make the road get out of hand. Imagine that. It's like me a complain and say that person they a thief. And when me come in, me nah go thief. And the first thing when me go in, they go be thief. And that's how the man do, The man complain say, yo, we not fix the road, we not this, we not that. And as the man come in, so the man start the road maintenance. No more road in Jamaica now get maintained. But yet still, and him still, up to today, I blame the other party. I say, yo, you are going. You know what I say? Other party there. Yeah, man, still I blame the other party there over 9 years. 9 years, not over 8 years. Call it 9 years now, full 9 years. Right? You're in a power for, and you still blame the previous administration for the road. After you go in and the first 2 years where you're there in for, you make sure stop the road maintenance. You make sure stop it. Yeah. And when you stop it now, you expect say we know. I go look and say, boy, I know the best thing you do. You come out and play as if no, say yo, here we go on. Here we go on, I know. I got declare the road a national disaster and win the people them vote. Say me I go fix the road then now. After 9 years. After 9 years, if you ever see the road them in Jamaica. And so even though them a patch, trust me, them can't patch out all of them do that. You don't say anyhow. They never do that. And I maintain the road them right now. So how them a go hard on the road them now? Them could at least try to who could patrol free because there's no way that would happen, but would eliminate majority and the major patrol them and the major bad road them. So you promise us a Sparks program since year. So the Sparks program I gonna start this year, last year. I'm right. Man promise us that program and now what we are seeing is a patch program. Just imagine you have a government in power and you come out and you say, listen, man, come out to the Sparks program because we're going to fix this and we're going to fix that and we're going to spend $40 billion on road and rating and we're going to resurface the road and blah, 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 blah. And when you look now, the man still can't keep a promise. The man still can't keep a promise when him in a power. It's not like him out of power and make the promise, you know. The man in a power and make the promise and can't keep the promise. Now look at that. So how me now if you believe say you are going to do things after that? How me if you believe now say here we are going on. When you get all the third term, you're going to do this or you're going to do that or you're going to do what you say. And you're in a power now. And you make me a promise now, last year. And you can't keep the promise you make last year. I know. You don't realize that neither? And me alone realize that? And me alone realize that Andrew make a promise to Jamaica people last year. Say I'm going to fix the road. $45 billion, the Sparks program. And the first is ever launch out in Jamaica. And blah, blah, blah. And blah, and this I got to deal with the road issue and the road crisis. And that before happened from last year. I know it now. But yet still a year I see my patch road. So that means that the general election will come and the Sparks program will roll out. Yeah, you don't realize that. You don't tell me so you don't realize. Why I tell the man in a power. Andrew Holness in a power and can't keep a promise. Them promise the Jamaican people $20,000. It's a tax return in our last budget. You think everybody get it? You have people right now who don't get it. Or half of people then. The man can't complete a promise. And then I mean say so. Yeah. And I mean say so. I him say so, you know. Which other promise the man gave it since last year when not fulfilled. We never see this yet in our history. We never see this in our history. Andrew Owens make a you understand? The man make a promise. And the promise where the man make, the man can't keep it. Yeah. Anybody can come tell me how this is send request now. Or for anybody to come give me a shot. Yeah man, let's talk about it man. Andrew promise you.
Book. And a fuck him, I'm a general, man. How you talk,
Yeah.
man?
Oh, go on.
They am a general, man. Like the work where you put in my teacher. And that's something with this, but
Yeah.
Pitney are big woman and child for in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Brother Andrew, poor country in a recession.
But you know, I mean, I look upon it just to call me, I say the man in a power. And the man make one promise. And him can't fulfill the promise. The man says Spark I got roll out last year. And we in a January and the man still a patch road.
Man have 27 bank account him for monitor. What the man for monitor Sparks?
Yo, that one that the wickedest one. Yeah, so the man have money time whole bank account there.
Yeah, them have to attend to. Commissioner them we are question my business.
Not a time for manager Sparks and
Not a time for manager Sparks, bad man.
Right.
But you know what I like? You know what I like with Jamaicans overall? You see the diet thing need to cut out.
Yeah, on both sides.
On both sides. Reason being, brother, we see say yo, them money are make weight well. We have feel it, you know.
Yeah.
We are very hungry now. We have to send our people them go feed them educational system, you know. We have to go out there go feed them underpaid job, you know.
Yeah.
So me hear you talk one night, you know, and you would say capitalism.
Yeah. I'm gonna so come at all. Andre.
Yeah. Brother, she not even know born me so my talk when the man I met dog.
Hello.
Hey.
Good evening.
Alexander.
Go on,
Yes, sir.
so one where you can ask some questions to Alexander. Welcome.
Yes, sir. Thanks. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Wagwan.
I come on the page, you know, and I'm listening to the conversation. And one of the things I want to find out here as a people is there no achievement from the government?
Oh,
let us read. Have you not seen any achievement?
No.
No, I don't think that would be fair. All right, let me talk a little bit here. And then when you look at unemployment rate, it was 13.8%. Now the unemployment rate is 3.6.
Yeah, 3.2 now.
Well, it gone down to 3.2 now. And it tells us that more people being employed. It tells us that more people working. Yeah, it tells us that more people is working.
Yeah.
Yes. When you look at the amount of construction and all of these things that is going up in the country, it tells us that our economic is growing. I have been to the let me just finish this. We are here to reason. I have been to the United States, you see,
No, man, listen, nobody come in with no America. So just reason.
No. Listen to what I'm saying. That's how we reason, you know. We listen to each other. No, listen to what. Let me finish my statement. Let me finish my. No, let me finish my statement. No, listen, man. That's why we live like this, because we don't reason.
No. My thing is that you are go in America. I go tell you your personal.
Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying.
Listen, you can't force me to tell me about America.
No, I am not forcing you, but hear me now. We cannot reason in ignorance. No, let me
see. Listen, big man, that is not ignorance when somebody tell me about Jamaica. Don't tell me about your personal experience in America. That is not ignorance. That is just being practical. Tell us about Jamaica. You say go down to 3.6. I correct you. I say 3.2. You say most hotel are built up in a Jamaica. And I say fine. And you start telling me about when you go to America. I say listen, I don't want to hear about that. Keep it in a Jamaica. That's how I say. Just keep it here. That's all I say. That is not ignorance. You not try come up here so if you come try. Control a talking point. That's a two something you said. Continue.
Mute him, Mike. But when me
I mute him, man, and continue, man. Jamaica, not tell me about no foreign. Not tell me about your personal experience.
We the people who live in Jamaica.
Let us talk about Jamaica.
Because them have them visa can fly out at any time when the country in a recession and people are face it. You may I tell you? Brother, this is no comparison if say the government will do something because building are put up and whatever. Building are put up because of the private sector. Private man them who are rob we blindly and bluntly with labor and with everything. But you need to get to understand is that what the government himself are do for him people them and him promises them.
That is what me want to know. So just keep it, Alexander, mic mute. Just open your mic and talk about Jamaica. You talk about two things.
I want to hear the development where Jamaica go if Jamaica go in a recession because you are saying
about Jamaica.
Building a put up and rare. They don't have nothing to do with Angeles. They don't have nothing to do with Angeles. When this businessman put up a business place and put up this business and then underpay away. The private sector and the government now step in and come talk away. When the private sector them underpay away.
No, so that's one of the questions I don't want to ask him. I don't want to ask him, why is poverty level above 10%? If them are the lowest unemployment rate in a Jamaica, why are PJ Patterson have the lowest poverty rate in a Jamaica? That simply means that you have people that work below poverty level. You have people that work below poverty level, so even though you want to take the claim, you say, well then, all right, you have the lowest unemployment rate, but you have the lowest poverty level. And someone can still be working and in poverty. And that is what happening in Jamaica right now. Who not classify as working or work, but they're still in a poverty. Them below poverty level. Building will go up in a Jamaica. You are going to talk it like say Andrew build building them. The second thing is now, over the period of years, my general, in a 1990, you used to have flush toilet. In a 2020, you have some button and sensor toilet. You know that, madam?
Yeah, man. When
time goes by, the life, the whole structure living are going to increase.
Exactly.
It's going to increase, so you are going to have more of this, I got to have more of this technology I going to come wearing. You got this, so and you see, say, boy, you walk at the supermarket door, the door just open by itself. That doesn't mean say Android do it. Technology have to increase. How much national building Andrew put up? You gotta tell me building where private people own. We are feed them building where you were telling me about how much building I go up. You can't go in that people and building. None of them building that you can't go in where you just come tell me, boy. You talk like say Caution can go in and go say, yo, Andrew, I'm gonna build this man and you can't give me no chat. A police are going to escort me after that, I might get charged for trespassing. Because I feel building that, we Andrew build for we, where we can just walk, go in and say, listen, our place this. The man not even build a park, well, he might build a park now over Portmore. That now go done. For now. And he build a arm in the park when we see them wash way. Nothing wrong with that. But you know what my problem though? Them always come and I tell me, say, listen, if me not see no good, I do. Every single prime minister must do some form of good. Whether it want to be to the PMP, whether it want to be to the JP, or whether it want to be to both party, him have to do some kind of good. We cannot deny that. But we are looking at which party do the most bad. And the Jamaica Labour Party right now do the most bad. Andrew Wallace. So when I got tell me about if him not do no good, you never tell us say him not do no good.
Caution. And one thing more, suggest one more thing. Bro, yes, when Jamaican people start travel and start go overseas, them start realize how undeveloped Jamaica is. Brother, the only thing we see organized in Jamaica right now are crime.
It's a crime alone organized.
Brother, talk the truth now, man. Talk truth now, man. Brother, you see the condition of the road them.
Yo, Jesus, that even talk about the road. Right now, I'm sorry me have a car.
Bro, talk truth now, man. We face it, you know.
Yeah, man. I'm sorry me have a car. You drive and you can't drive comfortable.
I'm sure it's a Jamaica lack of development. The transportation system for Jamaica. Already. And the man sell it out to a private sector. And the private sector say, man, make billions off it. No. Everything with Andrew Wallace and him party involved in a straight robbery one.
Yeah. Listen, Stallion, look pan a man now. Me don't know. The man a move like a girl. The man in the box in a general. And the man a type in the comment section.
Bro, what happened to the ex and the hospital? Brother, police station and hospital? Brother, come on, man. Don't mention that, man. Don't mention police station, man. Don't mention hospital. More you
man make it sound like look pan
it's fine the treatment where you get.
But brother, the man make it look like the first in a Jamaica lifespan we ever expand a hospital or upgrade one hospital police station. The man make it sound like the first happen. The man make it sound like the first ever.
Want to educate the younger generation them. Want to have some infrastructure where people have skills and can go to that infrastructure and go to that place with them skills. Everybody who have skill right now are left Jamaica. We're not talking about education. Because education too expensive in Jamaica. Everybody, doctor who have them skills are left Jamaica. Teachers who have them skills are left Jamaica. Why? Jamaica not paradise again. The police station in Poland were leak. All of the police station in Jamaica want reconstruction, my father. The whole of them. They infested with the thing when they put on the roof. Well, the country lack of development, lack of infrastructures, and lack of opportunity for the younger generation. And Jones can more than do better because he's in the position to do it. But he's not doing it. All thing we are going to do now, sit down and point finger. Where this a man do and where this a man do. But are you in a power now? Are you the make promise to it? Are you the tell me say you come do this and do that? And where you perpetrate when I've come rob with? One top girl, boy, I ask the same question to you. One house police station, them upgrade.
He is doing that, sir. Open your mic and talk, man. Come on, you move like a shot. Yo, what kind of people am I? By the time you take him out of the
Well, when I say PMP come do no better whatever, we are talking about the man who we Jamaican people vote for and put in a power because we expect to see better from him. When him come in a power come do. That we are talking about. Look on it, the condition of the roads. Right now, a younger man quicker for turn gunman than police. Right?
All right. Yo, good evening.
Yes, my general.
Yeah. Open your mic back to the bone.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah.
What may I say? The man, them, we just come from Jamaica. Me did down there for about nearly a month. And when me sit down and go on down there is, if the man them have a hold on the crime rate, we are going down there, Jamaica good. You know, and then just need to get a hold of the crime rate. So may I ask the Prime Minister, what am I do to put a hold on crime rate? Everybody me not hear them can't give you no good answer, brother. That's all me ask because Jamaica nice, you know, man.
One on there. Yes, Jamaica is a very nice island. Our paradise, that man. So you leave Jamaica recently and gone back in the state, right?
Yeah, I'm down there for 3 weeks for holiday.
All right. Why you tell the people them the lack of development where you see in the country?
A whole heap of infrastructure needs to down there. They don't go pay attention to the highway unless the byways them.
Exactly.
Messed up.
To the highway, because
the government, but all him doing, him sell out everything to the Chinese them. Me tell people, you know. Me say, yo, it's when the Chinese them can't get paid. We ain't gonna look for one like a highway and we are boss. Yo, look what him doing this and that. But yo, let me tell you this. It's when we can't pay back the government, the Chinese government, the money them with them for them work and them things. Them start take things from we, no brother.
Remember, said the government couldn't pay them before and give them an island for themselves.
Exactly. So you imagine this big piece of work where they do for them and then can't pay them. Then gonna start take the most important thing with Jamaica have. And like we don't know that, you know, brother. You see Chinese then come in. That's why America I get mad on Jamaica the other day because we are sell out to the Chinese them, you know, brother. Yo, we are sell out to the Chinese them too much, brother. I tell you.
Well, my father, we talk about it, but I say the man them who in our power, we as the people them need to organize and come together and open up the blinded them, because remember say all people blind are walk, you know. They might play a blind eye.
That me see, no gonna lie you.
Yeah, man, I tell you the truth, and you know where I be too bad. You see the bag of diet thing, it'll kill we. So a man need to come talk truth and justice. Me hear a man say in the comment section say, where PMP a come do? But no want a man get it twisted about me a PMP a laborate. You know. I'm not a PMP, I'm not a laborate, I'm a Jamaican. And things are in the country, we as Jamaican people need to come talk about it and make them highlight the wrong what them do. So it's very difficult to survive in the country now with a regular 9 to 5. Because light bill, if you do drive your vehicle, oh God, gas for buying a vehicle for bring it back and forth. You have a youth them for send go to school. You have a brother, it's rough. It's worse than Antomount now. And the government system know this, them know so we get underpaid. them know so we are work for the clan. And that's why majority of people who travel do not want to come work back in Jamaica.
But here the thing. People at Jamaica do one job and them live comfortable, and people in America we are do 3-4 jobs and have to struggle same way.
That's how Jamaica have a little style about them, man.
But them don't understand and see what I want. And think foreign up. Foreign is not a better rose, you know, brother.
Where's that? Right now,
Foreign,
man.
enough people at Jamaica live better enough for we are foreign, you know, and we work hard, you know. Me I tell you, you know, brother, that ask me, I ask you know. That's why I want enough of them to come over here, get an opportunity, and come and see what
country right now, I'm dying to go back on my yard right now.
Brother, at the best place on earth. I don't know who people are, I don't know who are, yo, brother. I know for we don't know say Jamaica a free paradise, you know.
It's when you start travel still, you understand the concept, is it? You understand the concept.
And that with enough of them, through them not travel, them not see it, I know what going on. And them sit down, yo, you suffer.
We live in our country, we don't have no family, and I just you alone and you have to survive. And
me I tell you that, you know that for a fact, me go to Jamaica and me hard. Me I say how people I say them are suffer. Nah suffer, brother. And enough of them are lazy, then lazy. Lazy, I don't want what they want, but the easy way.
Bad to the bone, bad to the bone. Be fair with the judgment. You whether they so, you're better off financially than people out there. So don't make it sound so, because you see you as you not lazy. Why you not come out there so come make it?
You're mad. You're mad in back with Jamaican currency. And that pay him again.
That's the fear. So don't make it sound like say, yes, you might have to work on nobody for depend on, but financially, you're more better off than if you're there in Jamaica. Because a plumber in a Jamaica.
That's all I'm saying.
Big man. How much a plumber in a Jamaica get for a day?
Currency already, man. Jamaican currency already.
How much a plumber in a Jamaica?
Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. What I'm trying to say.
Because I gotta say people lazy. So you make it sound like say people
don't see enough of them lazy, brother. Me I ask you. Enough of them still on one corner and do nothing. To expect money
to ask you this now. If you the there Jamaica right now, well on man, if you the there Jamaica right now, you don't work for $15,000 a week.
Hey, me used to live at Jamaica, no brother.
I ask you one simple question. I'm gonna ask you if you used to live there. I ask you no. Would you work for $15,000 a week right now?
15,000 as a tradesman.
No business where you want to be. I ask you if you want to work.
No, you'd say as a tradesman.
Right. $25,000 a week for tradesman. $25,000 a week. Would you work for $25,000 a week out there right now?
As a tradesman.
Stop. No. You look on it different. Stop looking at it as a tradesman.
May I ask him if as a tradesman or a general labor.
$55,000, $5,000 a day tradesman get a Jamaica. $5,000. I'm gonna ask you again. Would you work for $25,000 a week at Jamaica?
If I have to do it, I have to do it.
If you have to do it, I ask you one simple question: yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you would work for it.
Because it's better than.
Well, I know. Yes. Well, I know. Yes, you would work for it.
Yes.
So why did you go back to foreign?
Hey, I'm telling you this. I'm gonna explain.
I am asking. Listen, back to the bone. Why did you go
to Jamaica vacation?
But, listen. All right. So you come to Jamaica for vacation. Work there. You can get $25,000 a week as a tradesman. So listen on, why you never stay at Jamaica then and work?
Yeah, brother, get it. Run. You see, ignorance.
Back to the bone. But it's not no ignorance. Stop tell people. You know, listen to my youth and stop tell people about them need for travel for this and that and them don't know nothing what go on a foreign. When me got foreign, me a tradesman and a 6 months me take and can come to Jamaica come buy a car cash. I can't do that at Jamaica. So stop behave like you want to take people for idiot. People go up in a 3-year time and build big 4-bedroom house at Jamaica. And if them do that at Jamaica, them can't do that. So stop make it sound like say the thing they have to work for them and it not work. I understand say yo, we have to work over there, no nobody for beg. But financially, it is better than if they at Jamaica work. Cut the crap, man, youth, and stop make it look like say a worse or not live than we down at Jamaica. Cut the crap, man. It's not 100% better, but it's better. That's I'm a simpler try for say, brother. So when the company media, like you don't want to make people feel like say, well then, yo, nothing now go on and so and lazy at Jamaica, me couldn't listen that, but yet still you itch a flight. What day you go back a foreign and you could have wait for go over there that you come on my life and I complain about Jamaica. But yet still the people in Jamaica, you want to say, nah, this and that, brother. Your argument not straight. That is not ignorance, brother. It's you trying to tell people like say, well then, yo, you can do it at Jamaica, but you Africa foreign go do it. So me, to listen to what you yourself say, yo, foreign, dog, foreign, this and that. You see people like Una, brother, I really like reason with Una. I'm tell you this, brother.
Yo, listen to me, bro. Bro, listen to me.
Easy, man. Me, I'm a friend. We live in New York. I should hear. I should just go to New York and run off about 4 or 5 years ago. 4 or 5 years or so. I mean, I reason upon the phone. I said, turn to me and tell me, say, listen, lock your mind now, yo. Just lock your mind now, man. I want to tell my yo. And she turned to me and tell me, say, yo, you see, you as a trade man in New York, she say, you know how much money you da make? And that the woman look at me and tell me, say, because she meet one guy and the man say him would pay $400 a day for a trade man, a plumber. $400 a day. If me as a trade man I work at Jamaica, me now make that a week. 4 times 5 how much? 4, 8, 12, 16, $2,000 for the week. $2,000 for the week, and you up here to tell me now, say, I lazy at Jamaica when you can there for me America right now.
I own my own truck.
Might not better man, me not ready for you yet, bad man. You understand? As a trade man, I make 200 to 2,000 US a week. You know how much things me can do at Jamaica for my family. Me can pay my rent a foreign, and I can buy my food a foreign, and I can still save $2,000 because that would be $8,000 a month. So I can rent some of it $2,000, pay my bills, and still have a $2,000 when I can put on and say this is what I save. So for the 12 months in a foreign, I can go so boom and say 12 times 2,000. And I tell you how much money I got save over there so now. They can come back to Jamaica, come do business, man. Yo, as a matter of fact, come on from my live, man. If you don't want to tell people them stop me, man. 2,000 times 12. 24,000 times 150. That's a $3.6 million. $3.6 million I can save. Me not tell you when I earn, when I save. Come on for this man, you. Time to no man to ever come person come go on like you don't want to come discourage people from better off themselves because I una alone for better off, I una alone for still look life, I una alone for still look light, I una alone for still look benefits. And I come tell people about, yo, it's hard over here, someone. We don't want to discourage everybody from go over there. If you say, no, man, nothing now going to foreign, man. Them time the whole on now, beard off in our money. Me can tell you, say, you come to Jamaica right now, and the amount of money where you spend, down your so. Can you make sure come, anytime you see nobody from foreign come to Jamaica, them pocket fat. I want to tell you, man, you cut the bullshit, brother.
Caution.
Cut the bullshit. Don't disrespect the Jamaican them way them done, man. You come tell people about them lazy. When the man hear me tell him say $25,000 a week. When the man hear me say the man ball out as a trade man, like him I said, as a trade man, me for work $25,000 a week. Him can't answer straight up and say, hey, mean? Of course. Him take a while for answer because guess what? The money that sound little bit. That's probably where I send him youth every week at Jamaica. Every week him send him pitney. $25,000 in a Jamaica, plus him a PM rent over there, so and him have a woman over there mine, and him a save him money, and him a do this and him a do that. But if you come to Jamaica, if you come work that for a week, man, I want to man youth. Don't come up here so bag of foolishness, man youth.
Caution.
Yo,
you know the truth about everything is foreign hard about Jamaica harder, you know. That you have to show, you have to just talk it. Foreign hard but Jamaica harder because cost of living in foreign is much less, but cost of living in Jamaica very high. And that's the truth. That's the truth, you know, you can't hide, you know, inflation, you know. Look on the value of the dollar. You see me I deal it. And that's the thing there, you know. But enough of them now pray that.
Let me tell you this, man. You see, Jamaicans are some of the hardest second working people in the world. And I can tell you that. Teachers, when you see a work,
I have to do extra work. Me as a tradesman got foreign right now. You think me I go dig wall and them sitting there? Eh? You think me I go use a pickaxe and them thing that when I got foreign? A straight pipe alone in trouble. Mechanic will go foreign, go work. Me know Birchin will out so when him do mechanic work, at the hardest him work, and when him go foreign, the man tells say, brother, we don't fix things over here, so I take out things and change.
Yeah, man.
And
Convenience, man.
Just easy, no, man. So when you come up with something, make it sound like say, we don't understand what I go on, brother. The work easier for you are foreign.
But you know, the thing when me I drive, when me drive, they see in a foreign, you have to be more disciplined to, you know, because in a like Jamaica where you can do like the Prime Minister, don't pay tax. You have to pay your tax at foreign. You can't do like Cliff Hughes at Jamaica and don't pay tax. You have to pay tax over the top. And that enough for them not like. Them like the bandolism. So when you go over there, you don't want to pay your taxes, but you will go to prison.
Yo, I see man over there on the papers. Man over there on the papers right now and still don't want to come to Jamaica. And for them go over there and don't get a good job.
But at the labor right, them have that mentality there, you know, because them that are foreign and them a live life. Them don't want you come live the same life for them a live. Them don't want you to see a way out. As a matter of fact, look on the live them tonight. If you go through the live them tonight on TikTok, the labor right them gonna hide. All the labor right them a hide tonight. All of the labor right them a hide tonight. I can tell you that. Look through the live. None of them chuck the whole of them a hide tonight. Because I pay a fucker them go on with. You know what I mean? Them not go on with nothing sensible. Yeah.
You see people in the box.
Yeah, me Jenna. Yeah, man. So that's the thing, them, man. But you have to hold the line in a brother. You can't make them come here and if you run them off your life, man, because them not keep you on for them life, you know. Them not invite you to them life, you know. You understand what I say? Yeah. When you hear them come here, them foolishness, man. Run them way, man. Run them way, man. Because them not give a chance man for them life to talk about nothing. Them just tell one bag of lie and one bag of this and spread one bag of propaganda and then I want you to talk about nothing. You know, see it? So you have to just hold it here, me done. Me just want you know that. But none of the labor them don't want to come on tonight because them see what labor do a Spanish town right now. See it? None of them know they're on the team tonight. Because they don't want to explain nothing to Jamaica. Set a criminal them.
From day me I hold them pan the topic there, you know. From day me I hold them pan the topic there.
Yeah, but none of them don't want to come on. None of them, if you search live now, you don't find one of them. Because then down there, the Spanish town, so they don't want nobody to talk about that. You know, see it? The people over there say they don't want Babsy over there again. You know, see it? That me I tell you I go on in a Jenna. That me I tell you what I go on.
Well, and the Dylan in the box. You can't see nobody in the box, you know. You see 4 trees. Stallion gone.
Aaron Detta in the box. Jennifer Crew in the box. Nathan in the box.
Wow, I can't see nobody in the box.
Active man. They are listed the general man. Michael Jackson have a point, man. Is it?
That's the thing, them, man. You have to be careful of them drunker, them, man. Cause be a foolish and go on. Cause me say one big man after the police and go hold the boy and then send one of the big man and call the boy, you know. Me say the one of the big man them in the GLP party call the boy and said to him, say what kind of foolishness that go on. And me say this the big man and the big man say, oh, yeah, this politician will a gunshot. You hear? That me here say go on. Because I know him the police them hold, you know. The police them hold a next youth. You know, see it?
It's a next youth them hold.
Yeah, I never him them hold. Them hold a next youth. The youth with them hold him father one night done them to, you know, but him that foreign.
Or Plaka.
Ah, a Plaka boy them hold. Him that foreign. See it? That may I make you know. But him not take no talk, so a politician just say you not take no talk. Think politician easy. They're not easy at all. Anyway, me I go and watch a thing, big up on yourself and go and hold the line here, sir.
And who in the comment section go and top up the screen, man. Top up the screen because the general them have a valid point, man. And send to a gift, man. Caution, a good job you do, man. And if you own at the Jamaica, make your guys earn more, you see it?
Yeah, how that, Jet? How that? I can't see nothing in the box, you know.
Oh, Detta, man. Oran, man.
Who that talk first? Jizzy?
Oh, man, a hombre named Michael Johnson. Jump off a while ago.
Me know who we are. Me know who, no.
And next man who are join in the box, please, don't stray the argument. We don't want the argument straight go no foreign, no way. A Jamaica we are talking about. We are Jamaica national. Yeah, man, tap up the screen, my people. Tap up the screen.
I see people now. I see that box them black, but I can't see who in the box them. I don't know how I'm going.
We not we not burn nobody. We not burn nobody. A truth we are talking. We are talking about where we see a one in our country. That we are talking about.
Yeah.
That's the topic.
Add bag of love there.
Yeah, man. Real man. Respect, man. Tap up the screen, my people, then, man. Miss G, Senna Rose, give thanks, man. Tap up the screen, my people. Because we as Jamaica, we need to unite. And that's why the government system likes when we unite. Anytime we unite, them vex. Tap out the screen, my people. Tap out the screen.
Delano, in the box, Delano, I see like it come.
We just have this one.
I can see what I go on now. Yeah. Can't see what I go on. I can't see who in the box. I know. Just go and couldn't see nothing. You see Jams I try coming in the box. Jam, come back out and send back a request. It's a code talk. Let's see that one coming in yet. If I send back on the request. Yeah. I got love what go on, everything okay. They got kicked out of the box. Oh. Yeah, can we could have something for I'm gonna do nothing, you know. The internet can move away. I have to see with me, man. Everything much up, one bag of love. How I go on?
My teacher, everything good now, my teacher.
Yeah.
We can't ask a question. We can ask a question.
Yeah.
Like with the mayor thing they know. And we go on and me that ask if I like how him is a license fire all and a man them say we get shot in the house if the police hold and panting gun or you know? Yeah, that's my question. You understand what I mean, Kasha? I don't want to know that.
Yes, sir. Ask it back again.
No, me say like the mayor thing they know, like when is a licensed firearm and a man get shot, the man will get the shot and dead. Me that want to know if the police them hold on upon him gun to see to find out if a fiend gun shoot the man.
Yeah. They must run some kind of investigation from that.
Right. But when me look like it, when me look again, it look like the man that like him not even get no chop in it like him does. Cause you know Jamaica going can go and just cause he can shoot the man for nothing. True, you know, say I see them thing buck up and like him just go and just put on some plaster upon the head for sure so he get like where Christopher Tufton they do.
Come on, say us now.
No, me I say, I want to know if the police and take one gun to go test it to see if a fiend gun shoot the man.
No, them not do that. And them try hold them back.
That's for sure. You say we not have no justice in the Jamaica.
Yeah, them try hold them back.
Because them should take one gun and go test it to see if a fiend gun shoot the man. You understand? That's for sure. Say, boy, the GLP, they really corrupt, Caution. The DMA, the talk, they really corrupt. Make was a PMP. Make was a PMP, man, that happened to. Make was a PMP do that. I know every GLP blogger live in a hop. But all this now help kill them, all this now help weak them platform, you know, weak them platform. Yeah.
Yeah.
This weak them platform more now, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Weak them platform. Because them a talk about PMP and fish. You see, a whole of them fish thing a come out more every day because even the mayor don't have me pen what there. Him should have them should have make what a man go check now next man. I saw quick police come to that man. I was a PMP, mayor, I check now man and saw quick police that come and see them a carry. You understand?
Yeah.
So I tell you, boy, we have to get out the government here, Kasha. If we get out the government here, the country I go mash, I go right down. Because even when man say, boy, with the climate change, you know, the climate, because I don't today me I look at me I laugh. When me I listen in speech, man say the climate thing we mash up the road. But all the poor man road climate mash up that and the rich people them road climate them mash up that. You understand me? Cause if you go uptown, for the road they mash up, uptown people road them no mash up. So I just the poor man road and I country road climate change mash up. You understand what I mean, my brother?
Yeah.
Why can't me you know me there I go and take in, cause me there I cook some food for the family,
Yeah, man.
So me in the box, when you're ready, you can't when the box not full up, but me there, me there by your thing, you know that. So me there I go and take it, just go and beat them. Ask them that caution. Ask them if the police sees that man gun. That if you ask them when they come for your platform, the labor right there. Yeah.
Yeah, one man over live I talk about the cabbage. I said me if you take down the cabbage because cabbage gone $300 a pound. You shouldn't shame. Cabbage left from $20 underneath PMP time and you $300.
Before me left Jamaica, you can get cabbage or something where people don't look pan because it's too cheap. You get all cabbage all even time $20 a pound.
You might tell you them can get $20 cabbage and you know $100 a pound and me can take down the cabbage.
And the next thing again, I make nobody come. I make them come tell about foreign hard, foreign nice, because man, they are people they are work and take care of them nice from their Jamaica. They couldn't do it for me, they are Jamaica, brother. So I make nobody tell about foreign hard. Hard for people lazy, but for you come here, you want to work there, you can work, pay your bill of foreign, and take care of your family in Jamaica. You can still save money, still drive a nice car. You understand?
Yeah.
To be able to run them, make them come and tell you that.
Yeah, man. Me know setting up nice, you know. It's not like that traditionally good. And it's not big, but Jamaica harder than foreign.
Jamaica harder than foreign, brother. Me up here, I tell you, Jamaica, me go to Jamaica, me see it, brother. Hard up here a better roast to Jamaica, right? Better roast caution, better roast. Because you can't do 2 jobs, you can't do 3. Well, if you pay tax, the end of the year, you get back tax money. You get back every year, you get back, ask anybody. You get a thing named W2, you file back your tax. You can pick up one $4,000 or one $3,000. Yeah. So you know, make the way you know, I tell you about foreign. Foreign is nice. You just want to come here and decide for work.
Yeah, from as long as we work,
foreign nice. So on Tuesday, you have to get a white. When it's cold time, you still have to go out to go work. But you understand? Or just that. When it's cold, you still have to go out to go work. And what beat foreign now, and like Jamaica, you have to pay your bills up here. You understand? But to us, I tell you, it's hard because don't for them, they never pay no bill. You understand? They get free water, free light. So then come here and think it's hard to pay them bill. That's why them say it's hard. But foreign nice, caution, but foreign nice. Because you can't go in now. Look much is $5. Look much is $5. With $5 US can buy a Jamaica. $5 up here can buy a nice meal. A nice meal, $5 can buy a nice meal. You can go in a McDonald's, you can go in a Kentucky, have your $5, get a nice meal. Any foreigner can tell you that. You have $10, you get a nice plate of food. $10, you get a nice plate of food.
A person on my Instagram, what? Stallion, man, I tell you for the last time, spam my comments, them, yeah. If you can't come in the box, come reason, don't spam my comments. Yeah, notice my live is not really a comment live. Yeah, please don't spam my comments. Because you can come up and come explain and prove what you talk about. Don't spam my comments. Don't type it in my comment.
Yeah, so me I say still, you know, with the issue now, the man them say me fi take down the cabbage. You know, feel like me fi take down the cabbage. I feel like me fi take down the cabbage. Come here, the man them not like the cabbage. The man them not like the cabbage. The man them say, yo, gosh, I fi take down the cabbage. I don't call cabbage drop. Cabbage drop. The man them not like pass me live and I see the cabbage, you know.
You take the cabbage and put up the man with the plaster on him head, yeah.
Nah, me nah that picture. Them. Me nah that picture. Them. Nah that picture. Nah
Yeah, the
that
man with the
picture.
plaster on him head, yeah.
But you see, this is the issue, you know, with them, you know, right? You see, cost of living is what really bother them. And if you notice them reaction, them same one can react to it, but them just play a blind eye to it. You understand what I say? Them just play a blind eye to it. Right, yeah, so $3,700 for that cabbage. You know what the man I say? Caution, would buy the cabbage there? Well, me would buy the cabbage, but at the end of the day, why cabbage gone up so dear? I got a problem, eh? Even if me would buy the cabbage, why the cabbage get so expensive? So the problem is not me buying the cabbage. The problem is why is the cabbage so expensive? You understand what I say? I may have other cabbage too, you know, can put up, you know. Me have one dear than this, you know. Well, I'm going for another cabbage. Well, then. I change the cabbage. That me I go do. Well, I change. Probably them type to see that one cabbage. Well, I change it.
So much you a quarter pound of saltfish in North Jamaica.
You know what I mean?
That post a deer quarter pound of saltfish. I know, so I get some man food that
see that cabbage, you see that price a look a bit too small, but more well on them. I go try zoom up the price and screenshot it and show it over. Me couldn't see that price. I put up a fresh cabbage. Probably them tired of that. I don't want cabbage. They want to see a new cabbage. Yeah, man, they want to see a new cabbage. So I go put up a new cabbage for them, man. I may have something for them. I have another cabbage for them, and I see it there. So when they feel like say, I want cabbage alone, I have multiple cabbage. Multiple cabbage I have, man. Well, and then, you know what I'm saying? I do over here, so. Yeah, man. You see like how them want me take down the cabbage. See like how them want me take down the cabbage. Man, put up a wicked a cabbage. Yeah, man, I put up a wicked a cabbage. Yeah, man. Work on yourself, man. I have a different cabbage phone now, man. I laugh, yeah, laugh. Wanna see that price now? Wanna see that price, yeah? $6,162. Which parties I sell now? Well, I'm telling you which parties I sell. Not even business always. No, hold on there. Oh, that a price smart. Somebody was shop. No what go on. You know what go on? Me never know, you know. They said that double up, I might say that double up. I'm gonna tell you, say them want me change the cabbage, so it a go better. Yo, them don't know who them around put, you know, long. Me have that cabbage, yeah. Eh? You know, me have that cabbage, yeah, me never say me I go put it up on it. You see, sometimes you better you lock your mouth because the more them talk, the harder me I go go. You gotta tell me about take down cabbage. All right, me gotta take down that one, you know. You gotta take down that one cabbage. One cabbage is $6,162. One cabbage for $6,162. Yeah, man. Wait, man. Me so see a couple of them pass through over here. Them so forward, man. So see a few of them pass through over here, man. Don't worry yourself, man. See? One cabbage. Half. This is almost half of the minimum wage. This is almost half of the minimum wage. Oh. And the man can't tell me nothing. No man can't tell me nothing. A price mark me want to go shop. So no man have to come tell me if I walk up and down and look for a cheaper price. A man my name. One in the box. Who in the box? None of them know up here, man. None of them know up here, no. As I put it up, mama knows that price smart for true. I see my price type in something there. Price smart. Price smart for true, man. So she actually knew what she had thought about when she tell me say a price smart. I should see the price go up, she said. I should see it how it looks, she know say a price smart cabbage. So you see so we're well informed over here, so. Not telling a lie upon nobody. $6,000 for one cabbage. I'm a here a man I go come and come say no. Yo, we not shop up at the rich people place, man. Not shop up at the rich people place. Everybody shop at Price Smart. Everybody shop at Price Smart. Yeah, man. Everybody shop at Price Smart. So I don't want nobody come feel like say I want to make it sound like say, boy, yo, caution. Yo, yeah, shop at the rich place them, man. You have to have membership card. Yeah. You have to have membership card. But me the business. I don't care. Cabbage yourself for $6,000. Me not telling a lie upon nobody whether you want membership card or not. Whether you want to go Price Smart or not, there is somewhere in Jamaica selling cabbage for $6,000. That's a fact. Yeah, and don't make me and make it up. When the Prime Minister did bring the food basket going at Parliament, you know, so the man got the dearest supermarket to buy the item them. Did you know that? He never try to find the cheapest one them, you know. The man got the dearest just to make Portia look away. So me, if you come pretty up things in now, you're mad no blow. All a cabbage, yeah. Yeah, man. I true just a while let the light got chip out, you know, and kick out the people. Let me not come and have them up here go and talk, you know. Stallion still there. Stallion say, boy, they come with them dread. I say go, me done. A politics, just like what you type in my comment. A politics. Yeah, man. A politics, man. What I'm telling you. It's politics. We can't buy food, it's politics. We can't pay rent, it's politics. Can't send a picnic at school, it's politics. Everything where like, you know, with the whole country. You know, when you check it out one way or the other, it's politics. You understand? One way or the other, it's politics. One time I forgot my bed. You know, I feel sleepy. Feel a little sleepy, you know. I'm gonna find a chatterbox like me if you come in at the box yet. I'm gonna find a chatterbox if you come in at the box. Yeah. Man tell me something to take down the cabbage. And I will listen respectfully and take down the cabbage and put up that one now. Because I guess the $3,700 was not good enough. So I have to come with something better than $3,700. Yeah. 6,160. Hey man, tell us, yo, Jamaica wicked, huh? $6,000. Imagine the man got parliament with one basket for $3,000. Right now, I need two of the basket them when carry got parliament for the two of the basket money. If you take up one cabbage. That are basically half of the minimum wage. Half of the minimum wage, I tell you. You go so boom now, slap up half of the minimum wage, $6,000. Six from 15. About half. 6 from 15. And £10. Yeah. £10 a cabbage. £10 a cabbage. So £10 a cabbage divided by, hold on, let me get my calculator. So 6,126 divided by 10 equals $612 for a pound. That's a man who I go on. Jesus Christ. Watcha. So you see on the line me I tell. See me get another cabbage. See me get another cabbage. Look here now. Half a cabbage. Hey, that cabbage, a cabbage me I use on campaign for them people in another election. You know. You can't stay there. Cabbage for people used to. Yo. Look here, alright. Look on a half a cabbage, you know. This a half a cabbage, you know. And this a how much pound? This a 0.77 0.770 kg. Yeah. Yeah. Local. And look, this sell local. Oh, the price, other one is $1,016. And this a Millennium Mall, Maypen. Hold on, let me send it. I'll put up the price better. Hey, at the first, me ever see them sell half a cabbage in a supermarket. You know, me tell you, say supermarket coming like a shop now. Half a cabbage. No, tell the truth. Me don't know if because you know woman more shop more than man. You never see half a cabbage in a supermarket? No, I don't want to seem too wicked. Oh yes, somebody say yeah. Yeah. Only the purple one. Oh, the purple one. And this a local cabbage, you know. Cause they put the local up there. So this look more like our cabbage. This don't look like our cabbage more. I go build one something there. I go put that cabbage here with the other cabbage. The 3 cabbage in one. Triple threat. Yeah man, the 3 cabbage in one. The half a cabbage. That cabbage is watch out. 1,000, 6,000, that's 7,000 plus 3,000, $10,000. All because of the size. But that cabbage is small. The cabbage is small, you know. This a cabbage are basically probably just 1 pound of cabbage, you know. Well on there. Alright, 0.770 kg. Well on there. I'm telling you how much pound that. 0.770 kg to pound. That would be 1 pound. 1.6 pound. 1.6 pound. 1.6 pound. That's all? Yeah. Cause 1 kg would be 2 pounds. So this will be 1.6. So that's small. Of course, these are just 1.6 pound. This are nothing. And that what $1,000. I mean, know this is a recent picture.